हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो आज का वीडियो एक स्टेकेशन व्लॉग है ऑफ सयाजी होटल, विच इज़ द ओनली 4-star होटल इन कोल्हापुर. Literally there is no 5-star hotel as of now, and this is literally the only 4-star hotel. And if you want to experience luxury in Kolhapur, this is the only option you have. And I'm going to show you the suite, the grand room, and the breakfast buffet, and of course the infinity pool. So without any further ado, wait, first subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So हम कोल्हापुर सिटी पहुँच गए हैं by train, and we are on our way to Sayaji Hotel, which is, as I said earlier, the only 4-star hotel in Kolhapur. It is extremely safe and well sanitized. I really love the reception area. It is beautiful. So ये होटल के अंदर आपको बारबेक्यू नेशन भी मिलेगा, जो बूफे रेस्टोरेंट है, if you know. Apart from that, there is also a gym, which is a fitness center. Then there is a Moon Tree Cafe. Then there is a infinity pool as well. So whatever you can see on this, everything is there inside the hotel. ये रेस्टोरेंट भी काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल है. Like it's a luxury dining place and it's really pretty. और ये है infinity pool. As you can see, the view is so amazing. You can see the entire Kolhapur from here. And then there is barbecue nation over there. So yeah, there are a lot of things to do inside the hotel. And of course it is beautiful. Again, this is the reception area where you do the billing and check-in of rooms. So basically there are grand rooms and executive rooms. Executive rooms are the lowest, उसके बाद grand आता है, उसके बाद suite आता है. So I'm going to show you so first I'm going to show you the grand room, and after that I will show you the suite. So this is the grand room. It is quite expensive. मतलब the rates are very similar to जो हम मुंबई में पे करते हैं 8,000. The rates are the same, and what I didn't like about it is, in spite of the rates being same, the bathroom does not have a bathtub in the grand room. And you know how obsessed I am with bathtubs, but उसके अलावा the room was really pretty, and the best part is the view, of course. So you can literally see PVR and Shoppers Stop from the view, and this is the best view वाली रूम इन द एंटायर होटल. सो वहाँ पे PVR में आप शाम को चिल करने भी जा सकते हो, टू जस्ट एक्सप्लोर द मॉल. इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल, बट जस्ट इन केस इफ़ यू वांट टू. द रूम ऑल्सो हैज़ अ TV, फ्रिज, मतलब नॉर्मल, एंड इट्स क्वाइट लग्जरियस. And literally I have to say that this experience was the most luxurious experience I had in Kolhapur. Now ये रूम है वो स्वीट है. आपको यहाँ पे राइट में डाइनिंग टेबल भी है, and as soon as you enter, left side पे there is a washroom as well, which is comparatively a smaller washroom for normal, I think, guest washroom types. फिर सामने आपको हॉल दिखेगा, और लेफ्ट में there is only one big room. दिस रूम ऑल्सो हैड द सेम व्यू, बिकॉज वो मेरे ग्रैंड रूम के बाजू की ही रूम थी. फिर रूम के अंदर there is a very big washroom, which this is the only room, like suite, which has a bathtub. So as you can see, it is quite spacious, and this is the only room that had it. And this bathroom is quite similar to, I think, Taj in Mumbai, where you get the same experience in a much cheaper cost. And this is a walk-in wardrobe. Of course, this is the add-on benefit of a suite, that you have a walk-in wardrobe and the dining in the hall area. Overall, it is very spacious. So yeah, definitely a very luxurious experience. Let's see the view. So ये जो रूम थी वो मेरे रूम के बाजू की ही रूम थी, which is why the view is same, but I would say that the grand room had a better view because it was the center view. But overall, the hall and everything is beautiful over here, as you can see. And this is the next day morning in my grand room, which literally has the best view. Let me show you once again because I'm obsessed with this view. It's so pretty. And now we are going to go to the infinity pool. So यहाँ पे स्विमिंग का भी ऑप्शन था, so you can swim if you're living over here in this hotel, and literally so beautiful. Now we'll be going for the breakfast buffet, which is included in the hotel room charges. There is a variety of breads and desserts, donuts, फिर salads में है मूंग, and you can see there are a lot of options, juices. This was a cheese platter, and the best part is the red structures, which are so cute. You also have your South Indian food, idli, dosa, sambar. This is a live eggs counter. This is a porridge and potato veggies, fish fingers, sausages, eggs. And this is my plate full of food with eggs to order. And this is how the breakfast area looks like. और यहाँ पे एक्चुअली तभी बारिश पड़ रही थी, तो this is a dosa with amazing fresh fruits, muskmelon, guava, very nice, very tasty, and nuts also.
I don't wanna go.
This is the room and we are going to be checking out. That was me crying because I really didn't want to go, but yeah, this was the overall experience. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.